lockdown, somebody looks at you and they're like, hey, we should see other people. I was like, that's illegal, but I get it, you know? So now I'm dating again, and it's hard. You can't do it. Like, how am I supposed to go out and meet people? When I was young, I would worry. I would worry so much when I went out with a guy. Like, I would be like, is he gonna kill me? And now I would prefer it. Like, I'm done. I'm done. No, I'm done. Thank you. I'm all set. I've seen enough. I'm done. I've realized that I have very bad judgment when it comes to men. Like, I was at a bar, and I see this guy at the other end of the bar, and I'm with my friends, and he had 4 tattoos on his face. And I saw it, and I was like, I'm gonna fix it. Whatever it is, I will fix that. And my friends were like, I think he's in a gang. I was like, I think you're jealous of me. I'm sorry, I have a boyfriend, you don't. Like, girl, if you can't find a man, just say that. And that's really how I feel. I'm sorry, but it's a lot of jealousy. But I feel like we don't see the red flags. We want to see the good in people. I always make up excuses for guys. Like, I'll go out on a date. My friends will be like, hey, how was your first date? I'm like, oh, well, he made me cry. And he's definitdefinitely a liar. And I think he's married. And I think he stole $20 out of my bag. But there's just something about him. I really do. I feel good about this. Thank you guys so much. You're such a fun crowd. Are you ready to keep the show going? I want you to give a warm welcome to such a funny guy, Dave Siren.
All right, how you guys doing?
Everything went great.
Great, well, my name's Dave. I'll be your Jew for the evening. But honestly, thank you all so much for being here. It is...
Okay, we got it. What's up, kid? It's not gonna be you. In the back seat. You want an air horn?